In this video, we're going to look at formatting numbers in Excel. In particular, we'll look at currency, comma style, decimals, and percentages. In column E on my spreadsheet, you might notice that some have decimal places, but most don't. In most cases, it's always better to be consistent with your data. For example, either they all have decimal places or no decimal places. If I try to manually add 0.00 to the end of any number, it will automatically be removed when I complete the edit. How annoying! If I type a currency symbol and press enter, that would work. But how boring would that be to have to edit each figure? Instead, I'm going to highlight the whole of column E and F at the same time, and then from the number group on the Home tab, I'm going to click on comma style. That's better. But what about a currency symbol? I'll just quickly undo that using Ctrl+Z. Now I'll apply a currency symbol. You can click on the accounting button and that will automatically add decimal points and your default currency symbol. If you click on the drop-down, you will normally have 3 choices. Yours might be different to this depending upon your computer settings. You can also choose currency or accounting style from the number format drop-down button. This puts your default symbol directly against each number. If for any reason you wanted to remove the decimal points, you can click on the decrease decimal button as many times as needed. However, you need to be careful with this one. For example, if you look at the cell E6, it says 75,001, but when I click into the cell, it actually contains 75,000.9. If you need a different symbol, such as Swiss francs, you can highlight the cells you would like to change. You can click on the dialog launcher in the number group. You can click on the number format drop-down and choose more number formats at the bottom of the list. You can right-click on the highlighted cells and choose Format Cells, or you can do Ctrl+1 on your keyboard. Now from here, you can set the number of decimal places, and you can choose whatever symbol you need from the symbol drop-down. I'm looking for Swiss francs, so I'm going to type CH. Click on the symbol you would like, and click OK. And there you go. In column G, I've got some percentages, but they're not formatted as percentages. So I'm going to highlight the numbers from G2 down to G46 using Ctrl+Shift+down. Now from the number group, I'm going to simply click on percent style. If you want to be more precise, you can click on the number format drop-down and choose percentage from there. Finally, I'm going to highlight column E and F and apply pounds using a shortcut key, Ctrl, Shift and 4. So in this video, you've seen how to format cells in Excel.